Hey reception class, I hope you're all good. Here is a little video to explain Monday's phonics lesson. Sorry, I've still got my hat off. I can't take it off because I've got very bad hat hair, so you're going to have to deal with me looking like this. So, for today's phonics lesson, you will need different sheets that you can see on your screen. So you need your bingo board at the top, you need your game board, you need the sheet with coins with different words written on, and you need your sheet that says buried treasure at the top. At the top, at the top. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready now, please. Right, reception class, to start our phonics lesson today, we are going to play a game of bingo. So you need your bingo board. Now, I am going to say a letter sound, and then I want you to see if you can find it on your board, and then cross it out when you do. So the first letter sound you are looking for is a W, W, W. Try and find that as fast as you can. W, W. That is here, so I am crossing out my W, W. Next, I would like you to find X, X, X. See if you can find X, X on your board. And I found it down here, so I'm going to cross off my X. Next, can you find for me J, 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 J? Remember, we wobble like a jelly as we say it. J, J. And I have found it here, so I'm going to cross out J, J. Next, can you find for me V, V, V? V is just here along the top. Next, can you find for me a foot up and a foot umbrella? Is this one here, so you need to cross that out if you haven't already. Next, can you find for me G, 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 G for guitar? Oh, I found it at the bottom, so G, G is this one here, so I'm crossing it out. Next, can you find for me you're looking for, and is this one here along the top, and one more we're going to find today is, can you find er for rip and for rag? Is this one here at the bottom, so if you just want to cross that out for me. Well done, reception class. Oh, we'll do one more actually, then we'll have bingo. Can you find for me is this one here. F for elephant and F for egg. So we have got bingo because we have got a line across the bottom. Right, today reception class, we are going to be learning the sound of the letter you can see on the screen. This is the letter Z, which makes the Z sound. Z. And our action is we pretend we are buzzing like a bee and we say Z, 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 Z. So just pause me now and see if you can think of what the different things are on the board that start with Z, Z. That's right, reception. We have got the number 0, a zip, a zoo, a zigzag, zombie, and zebra. So they all start with our z, z letter sound. Just to really get the z sound in our heads, can we say it to the ceiling? Z, z. Say it to the floor. Z, z. Whisper it. Z, z. Say it to your shoe. Z, z. And say it to your little finger. Z, z. Right, reception class. Next up, I would like you to go on YouTube and watch our favourite giraffe, Geraldine, learning the Z, Z letter sound. So again, pause me and you can do that now. Right, next up, reception, we are going to do a little bit of blending practice. And to do this, you need your board game board, which looks like this. And you will need a dice. So you need to play this with one other person. What I would like to do is roll the dice, whatever number you get, move that number of spaces. So if I got 3, I would move 1, 2, 3. And I want you to try and sound out the words in that space. So the word in this space is wig, 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 and that is wig. And if you can sound out and read the word, you get to move one bonus space forward. Okay, and then it's your partner's turn to have a go. So have a little play of this game now. Right, your last activity today is an activity to practice your blending. So what you need to do is cut out each of the coins, then have a go at reading each word. Then if you think the word is a real word, you're going to put it under the picture of the treasure chest. If you think it's a made up or nonsense word, it goes under the bin. So for example, our first word is zap. Zap, zap, which makes zap. So zap is a real word. We have heard of it before. That would go under the picture of the treasure chest. So if you want to pause me and have a go at that now, please. Right, so that is our phonics lesson for today, reception class. So give yourself a big pat on the back for such hard work and a big thumbs up to you. Well done, reception class. Bye.